Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to another video on my channel. For those who are just visiting my channel for the first time, this is my sister's Blissful Kitchen. On my channel I do Jamaican dishes, Jamaican cuisine. So I try Jamaican food, I do Jamaican baking videos, and also try other recipes. So all your cooking videos and baking videos, all that, you can find them here on my channel. And for today's video, I'll be doing another short video for you guys. So I'm going to be doing a chicken, more like a vegetable broth soup. I have some scallion. I have my scallion here. I have some grated carrot for color. I have my Scotch bonnet pepper and some thyme. I put in a little black pepper for flavoring. I have my Maggi soup it up mix, and I'm using the vegetable I'm using is Pak Choi, and here you have it. I separate the leaves from the stalk because you know the stalk will take a little time to cook. So I'll cook the stalk first and then I add the leaf when it's almost finished because the leaf don't take that much time. So guys, that's basically what I'll be doing, and that's all my ingredients for now. So stay tuned for more detail. So guys, my pot is now on the fire and it's boiling, and then I'm going to add my Pak Choi stock to the pot, allow that to boil, and also add a piece of some thyme leaves to it to allow it to boil, and then we continue. So guys, I wanted to show you in my pot. This is the Pak Choi stock that I've just added, and I add a little thyme and it's there boiling now. It's gonna boil for a few minutes and then we start to add more ingredients. So guys, at this point, as you can see, there you have it, everything is boiling now. So now, just to make sure that everything captures the flavor, I'm gonna add some of my glazed cocktail mix. This one is the pumpkin. This one is the cocktail mix with the pumpkin. So we're probably gonna get a little pumpkin color from this. Let's taste it. Alright, so guys, I just tasted the Pak Choi stock and they're cooked. So once they're soft, we add our cock soup mix, so we'll give the flavor. And add a little more, if you please. I'm going to give it the yellow pepper flavor. So now we're just going to add in everything else now. So I have my stock leaves, adding that. So guys, I just added Pak Choi leaves, I added some scallion, I added some thyme, but I took out some of the leaf over the time I add it. I'm then going to add my Scotch bonnet pepper, give that a stir. Yes, this looks nice. So it's a light broth. Now you can, to this I can add like, you know, a vegetable bouillon seasoning, a vegetable cube. Or you can also use, if you don't want to use the water or you want more flavor, you can add a vegetable stock. But this is how I'm doing mine. I'm just gonna let that boil and then we'll come back. We're gonna add the carrots a little later in the end. So guys, my soup is almost ready. I'm just allowing it to boil. So once I turn on the fire so you can see it better. I'll see with the smoke, but there it is guys, and I share it out, you see. I didn't add all my carrots, but I did add some, and it's like a broth. So guys, it's time for us to share our soup. So let's go. So my soup is finally finished. Let's see the finished product. Still hot. So guys, there you have it, my chicken broth soup.